Check out this homemade fish sandwich from the bun all the way to the sauce. Let me show you how we did it. So I've got some redfish and flounder fillets that I thawed out of the freezer, and I'm just trying to get as much moisture out of the fish as I can to dry it off so that the seasoning sticks to the fish, and also so that we get a crisp crust on our fish so that it doesn't steam when we put it into the air fryer. We're going to make a quick tartar sauce, and I've got a little bit of mayonnaise in my little mini food processor here, and to that I've added a little bit of a purple onion. I'm also going to add some capers. You could use pickle if you like, and then we're going to add some lemon juice, salt, and pepper. If you wanted it a little bit spicy, you could add a little horseradish here if you wanted, but I like to just keep it simple. We're going to put the lid on it and give it a quick mix. And just like that, we have some quick, easy tartar sauce. So for my breading, I have one bowl with breadcrumbs and flour mixed, and in the other bowl I have a couple of eggs, and I'm going to season them up. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of a light Cajun seasoning into the breadcrumbs and flour, and then into my eggs I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of that same seasoning, but I'm also going to put a little hot sauce in with the eggs. And get that all incorporated to bread my fish fillets. So we're going to take that same seasoning and sprinkle onto our fish fillets, and we're going to be sure to put that on both sides of the fillets, and then we're going to take them and we're going to dip them in the egg mixture first, and then right into that breadcrumb mixture. And we want to be sure to get both sides coated and do all the fillets. And we're just going to continue to do that, dip them in the egg and dip them into the breadcrumbs until we have all of the fish fillets coated in the breading. I like to put them on a cooling rack to allow the air to get underneath so that they kind of dry out before we put them into the air fryer. Again, making sure that we don't have a lot of moisture so that they fry instead of steam. Now that we've got them all breaded up, I've got some avocado oil in my sprayer, and I'm just going to give them a spritz of oil, again on both sides of the fillet. Also going to spray the bottom of that air fryer pan. In this case, it's the Combi pan. And we're just going to make sure that we coat that really well so that they don't stick. We're going to get these loaded into the pan, and it is going to take me 2 batches to do all of these fish fillets that I have breaded. Then we're going to go into the Combi or the air fryer at 390, and I set it for 15 minutes, but I think they would have been done in about 13 minutes. And I did flip them about 7 minutes in. I flipped them and then let them continue to cook. When they were done, I did a quick temp check and they were definitely done. Next time I'll go for about 12 to 13 minutes. second batch in and ready to be cooked. And now we're going to build our fish sandwich. We're going to put a little bit of that homemade tartar sauce on there. We've got that bun toasted with a little bit of cheese. Check out that video for these awesome homemade hamburger buns. We're going to put that all together, and there we have our beautiful fish sandwich.